Leetcode Weekly Context 172. Question number 3. Maximum score after binary swaps. This is a medium problem. We are asked to find out the maximum possible score. So this score will be calculated based on this digits mask. So what does this rule mean? If we have a 0, 1, we can turn it to 1, 0, which means we are moving this digital 1 to the left. Then no matter how many zeros are in front of this number 1, we can move this 1 to the left wherever we want. It could be 0, 0, 1, 0, or 0, 1, 0, 0, or 1, 0, 0, 0, which means any position if we want. That is, as long as it is in front of this number 1. In this case, imagine there's a numbers array. Say there are 5 numbers A, B, C, D, E. If there's a digit 1 in the string S, that means we can move this digit 1 to any positions within this range. That means we can just easily find out the maximum number in this range. Say it is number C. When we go through this whole array element by elements, if we can put the number one by one into a heap queue, so we can sort it, and it will be easier for us to find out a maximum number for the given subarray at any time. So when we have a digit 0, we just push that number into this heap. When we have a digit 1, we're gonna pop out a maximum number out of this heap and add it into the final result. This is the approach how we solve this problem.